Today I'm going to be cooking from Molly Baz's Cook This book. I'm going to be making clams on toast with bacon and Old Bay Mayo. Okay, so for ingredients, I have some manila clams, white wine, bacon, Old Bay seasoning, red pepper flakes, mayo, some leeks, chives, corn, garlic, and tartine bread. So I'm gonna shave the corn kernels from the cob and okay, some escaped, but mostly they're in there. Okay, there it goes. One done. Okay. Okay, garlic sliced. Now I'm gonna cut the leeks. The recipe actually asked for 2 large leeks, but I thought this was big enough. This was a one big ass leek, so we're just gonna use one. To the leeks. I think this is enough, no? If I chop up this, this is gonna overtake the whole corn flavor, so a little modification. Add the garlic that I chopped here. Okay, all the chopping done for today. I'm gonna add cold bacon to the oven pan. It says cook, stirring often until crisp and golden brown. I like how the bacon looks now, so now I'm gonna add the corn mixture. Okay, all of this goes in. Okay, and then give it a mix. Red pepper flakes and a teaspoon of kosher salt. Goes in. Okay, and then we cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so my vegetables are pretty much cooked, and now I'm gonna add the white wine. My favorite part when I'm cooking with wine is glazing the pan. I'm gonna let this cook for about a few minutes, and then meanwhile I'm gonna clean my pan and deglaze it. Get all that flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the clams very gently. I'm gonna give it a stir. So I'm gonna cover and let this cook for about 8 to 15 minutes. Okay, so meanwhile, I'm gonna cook the toast. And also, while I wait for this to heat, I'm gonna mix in mayo and Old Bay. Okay. Give it a good stir. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, in goes my bread. She said only toast one side. Okay, this one's good. They look good. So I'm gonna plate them. So fried side up, bottom is not fried. This, and then the mixed Old Bay Mayo. Good slather. Okay. Okay. Now, a little bit more olive oil. Just why not? And then some chives that I chopped up. Okay, complete. Okay, so it's completed. It looks beautiful. Oh, why do I have a spoon? I mean, I guess I do need a spoon for the broth. Okay, so the bread has soaked up all the broth. I love that celery seed flavor from Old Bay. That really works well. I do think it's a little bit salty, so next time I'm gonna be putting a little less salt. For sure, I'm gonna be making it again. I like how the bread is still crunchy on the top. I love how the bacon, clam, and corn, they all really work well together. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any recipes that you want me to try, please comment down below. Thank you for cooking with me today. Bye.